Hi there, friends. Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to disable the direct messages feature on the Discord app. Please consider subscribing to my channel and liking this video. Let's get started, guys. Step 1. First, open the Discord app and find the home screen menu. Step 2. Next, tap on your profile picture at the right side of the screen corner. Step 3. Now, tap on the settings option at the top right of the screen. Step 4. Next, scroll down the menu, find the privacy and safety option, and tap on it. Step 5. Now, scroll down the menu again and locate the Allow Direct Messages from Server Members option. This is turned on. Step 6. For the last and most important step, tap on the Allow Direct Messages from Server Members option to turn it off. Then, tap on Yes. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.